Want to lose fat and build muscle at the same time? It's the holy grail, right? And you know what? It's totally achievable. What you eat plays a massive role in transforming your body. It's like building a house. You need the right materials for a strong foundation and incredible results. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Hey everyone, I'm Yosef, and in today's video, I'm pumping you up with my daily meal plan to stay lean, strong, and full of energy. That's right, we're going behind the scenes to unlock the power of food. Whether you're on a mission to torch fat, build serious muscle, or just feel healthier, this video is your secret weapon. We're talking delicious food that helps you achieve your goals. Before we jump in, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your mates, and subscribe for more awesome fitness and nutrition content. Now let's get this show on the road.
All right, let's kickstart the day like champions do with a breakfast that packs a punch. We're not talking sugary cereals here, people. We're going for a high-protein, nutrient-packed feast to fuel our bodies and conquer the day ahead. And trust me, this is a breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. First up, we've got 4 egg whites and 1 whole egg. Yes, you heard me right. Eggs are like the superheroes of breakfast. They're bursting with protein, which is essential for building those lean, mean muscles. And don't forget the essential fats. They're crucial for keeping our hormones in check and our brains firing on all cylinders. Next, we're adding a hearty helping of half a cup of oats with chia seeds and berries. This is our secret weapon for long-lasting energy. Oats are low GI, meaning they release energy slowly, keeping those energy levels stable throughout the morning. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which is like a best friend for our gut health. And let's not forget the berries. They're bursting with antioxidants, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage our cells. To top it all off, I'm having a steaming mug of black coffee or green tea. This is my little pick-me-up, giving my metabolism a gentle nudge and sharpening my focus. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants. It's like a 1-2 punch for a healthy body and a sharp mind. This breakfast combo is my recipe for success, the perfect balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to keep you feeling energized and ready to smash your goals. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make it count. It's lunchtime, crew, and we're keeping this nutritional train rolling. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to transforming your body, and that means fueling up with the right foods every single time. For lunch, we're going for a delicious combo of high protein and fiber. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it's going to power those workouts. Today's lunch is a winner. It's simple, super effective, and oh so tasty. We're having 6 ounces of grilled chicken breast. Now, chicken is a lean protein powerhouse, which means it's low in fat and calories, but high in those muscle-building proteins we're after. But we're not stopping there. We're adding a generous helping of steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. Broccoli is a nutritional superstar. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. And sweet potatoes, well, they're a great source of slow-digesting carbs, providing us with sustained energy throughout the afternoon. To finish this masterpiece off, I'm adding a drizzle of avocado or olive oil. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. They're your friends, not your foes. This lunch is a winner for anyone looking to build muscle, stay lean, and keep those energy levels high. Plus, it's easy to prep in advance, so you've got no excuses. All right, team, it's almost time to hit the gym and unleash our inner beasts. But before we do, we need to fuel up with a pre-workout snack that will give us that extra edge. Remember, we're not looking for a heavy meal here, just something light and effective to give us that energy boost. My go-to pre-workout snack is a simple but powerful combination. 1 banana and 1 scoop of whey protein. Bananas are a fantastic source of fast-digesting carbs, giving us that quick burst of energy to power through our workouts. And whey protein, well, it's like the rocket fuel for our muscles, providing them with the building blocks they need to recover and grow stronger. But we're not done yet. To make sure our energy levels stay high throughout our workout, I'm adding a handful of almonds. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, providing us with sustained energy to keep going the extra mile. This pre-workout snack is like a secret weapon, giving you the energy and focus you need to smash your personal best. So fuel up, get ready to sweat, and let's crush those fitness goals. We did it, team. We crushed that workout. Now it's time to refuel and recharge with the most important meal of the day, the post-workout meal.
This is where the magic happens, where our bodies rebuild and recover, getting us ready for the next challenge. Right after my workout, I'm having a protein-packed shake. I'm talking 1 scoop of whey protein blended with almond milk. This is all about speed. Whey protein is absorbed quickly into our muscles, kick-starting the recovery process and reducing muscle soreness. Almond milk adds a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats. But we're not stopping there. We need to replenish our energy stores and rebuild those muscles. For that, I'm having a delicious and nutritious meal of grilled salmon and quinoa. Salmon is a superstar when it comes to post-workout nutrition. It's bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery. And quinoa, well, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need to build and repair muscle tissue. To round it all off, I'm having a spinach salad with a light lemon dressing. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins and minerals to support overall health. And the lemon dressing adds a burst of flavor and aids in digestion. This post-workout feast is all about giving your body what it needs to recover, rebuild, and come back stronger than ever. As the day winds down, it's time to fuel up with a delicious and nutritious dinner. But remember, we're not looking to overload our bodies before bed. We want something light, lean, and full of flavor. And of course, it has to be packed with those muscle-building proteins. Tonight, we're having grilled turkey. Turkey is an awesome source of lean protein, and it's packed with essential nutrients like vitamin B6 and niacin. It's also incredibly versatile. You can grill it, bake it, or even shred it into salads. To accompany our protein powerhouse, we're having steamed asparagus and a colorful mixed green salad. Asparagus is a nutritional all-star. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and a good source of vitamins K and C. And the mixed green salad adds a burst of freshness and a variety of nutrients. For a little treat, I'm having some Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and probiotics, which are great for gut health. And cinnamon adds a touch of sweetness and warmth. This dinner is the perfect way to end the day. Light, satisfying, and packed with nutrients to support your fitness journey. So there you have it, my friends, a full day of eating for fat loss and muscle gain. It's all about fueling your body with the right foods at the right times to achieve those incredible transformations. But remember, it's not just about what you eat. It's about how much and when you eat. One of the most important things you can do is to listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full. Don't be afraid to adjust portion sizes based on your individual needs and activity levels. Another key takeaway? Stay hydrated. Water is absolutely crucial for every bodily function, from muscle growth to fat loss. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially around workouts. And finally, remember that consistency is key. It's not about being perfect all the time. It's about making healthy choices most of the time. Don't beat yourself up if you have an off day or indulge in a treat every now and then. Just get right back on track and keep moving forward. I believe in you. You've got this. So, are you ready to transform your body and unlock your full potential? I know you are. Remember, it all starts with fueling your body with the right foods. And now you've got the knowledge and the tools to make it happen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness and nutrition tips. And don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite healthy meal is. I love hearing from you guys.